Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing an 80 crate opening. As you see here, I've got 80 crates in Pixel Car Racer, and yeah, let's go. Let's do this. Rainbow. Oh, I actually kind of want to put that on in this car quickly. So, rainbow. That's sick. I'm leaving it on. Right, back to crates. 40k cash. I don't really need it, but alright. Lazy boy chair. Nice. DLB wheels. Nice. I want to try to get my favourite wheels. They're nice-ish. No, those bit in black. Oh, they're really good. FT, oh well, I might put that on later. Rusty spin. Oh, put in the comments what games you reckon I should play as well. Pink Tiger. Ooh, not bad. Oh, turbo. Nice. Another turbo. Shelter. Right, let's just have a look. What I'm going to do, I'm going to see how much horsepower this car runs now. And then how much it will run once I've 2,238 horsepower now. God, my voice is bad. So once I've done all this, I'll put some upgrades or something on it and see what I can get. 1552s, wheel steelies, white steelies, AV mod. Oh, where are they? Those again. That's a good one. I used to have that on my other car. A Dodge Challenger. It's so good. I loved it. Another colour. There they are. They're my favourite wheels. Get nuts. Drag steelies are bad. 360 wing. I've never heard of that. Blue. Oh my god, I can put blue carbon fibre on this car. LMO. MLO. I don't know. Intercooler. Some more liveries. I don't really want liveries, so I'm gonna be honest. Where else is that? Oh my god, I'm putting those on right now. Look at that. That is bad. Rainbow again. What do you call it? Oh, they're nice as well. Kawaii. Action. Trying to pronounce all this. VXT56. My favourite turbo is probably the one I've got on this car, is the gold one. I'll show you quickly. Look, that one. My car's called Lenny, by the way. Red Killer, or Killer Red, I mean. Those again. Close. Speed and footage, by the way, so I can get the upgrades done. I'm not really getting anything other than wheels. All I've already got is one stack of money, a couple wings, a couple colours, the lazy chair, an intercooler, and a couple turbos. Brilliant. A wing. There you go, 100k. Oh, titanium exhaust. Not bad, not bad. SR20, don't need that. I can just buy a better engine than that. Modern camo. Brake. See, the brakes just doesn't make sense because you don't really see the colour. Look, if you look at my wheels, I've got black ones, you can just about see it. I guess like every detail helps, really. Another intercooler. Another wheel. Another wheel. Another wheel. Oh. Those liveries quite nice, actually. Another lazy boy. Oh, purple bird. I didn't know you can get different colours of them. 10 more, come on. Evil Empire, cute. Nice. Nice, got that one already, I think. Oh, hello, I might put that on. That's actually really nice. Even though I said, like, you can't really see a brakes now, but that still look quite nice. 3 more to go, come on. VIP. Those wheels again, which are crap. And purple crystal. Right. Let's just have a look at all my liveries. Why would I just go into that one? Right. Where's the cool one? Wait, let's just go on that quick. Eagle Empire, purple crystal, red dragon, blue carbon. Oh. Getting nuts. That's the cool one. God, look how many I got. I guess I'll leave that one then. Let's go to wheels. Well, I'll pick the same thing. Wheels. I want to put on some chromes. See if I can find them. I don't know what they are. They're basically like the best muscle car wheels they are, and I just got them in a thing. Where are they? There they are. Oh bloody hell! I just want to put that on quick. Oh, what's it doing? There. What does that look like? Oh, they're right, I guess. Right, there they are. That's pretty good. 2,580 horsepower. Wait, what? Tunic work. Oh. Why is launch control? What's wrong with that then? Okay. I want to turn launch control on. Let's do there, I guess. Need to boost up. I want to turn launch control on. It's annoying me. Right. Oh yeah, these premium things. Right, now I'm gonna go do a race and see how well it is. See, I've lifted it up now so it doesn't scrape the floor. Amateur. Ready. Right, let's do this. This is how I do it. Put it in neutral. Oh yeah, I have to. Come on, bud. You can do it. Come on, come on, come on! Oh! Oh, I lost by like the tiniest. No! Honestly, what the hell has happened? Why am I level 1? I was level 100 somewhere earlier. 45. Sorry about it, guys. I'm gonna do that one more time. Actually, I should. There you go. Easy as that. Don't know why I struggled that much when it was really easy, but alright. What should we do then? I think we should build a new car quickly. Dealership. I'm gonna buy a car and end off the video. What's in this one? Some OK Fords, Mustangs. Oh hello, rainbow one. That's the one I got. Challengers, Mustang, Corvette, Camaro. That's it in that one. Oh, sell. I'm gonna sell that one. Don't want that. Right, let's go back to dealership. English one, Mini, Golf. XR2. They're my G's. Dad just showed one of them ages ago, like years ago. I want to put a scoop on the car, but I don't know what cars you can put scoops on. Is there a GTI? Oh, that's a nice Audi. I'm just gonna buy it just because of the sake of it. Audi. Should I upgrade the Audi quick? Nah. I'll save it till next video. hope you enjoyed, guys. Please like and subscribe. Tell me what kind of videos you want me to do next on Pixel Car Racer, like what kind of cars you want me to do. And yeah, tell me what cars I can put scoops on. So hope you enjoy the video, guys. Please, like I said, like, subscribe, tell your friends about my channel and all that stuff, and see you later. Bye.